Hello guys and welcome back to Culture Trading Hub. It is yet another very exciting episode, and today I want to show you a very simple strategy on how you can basically be able to grow your account. And this is basically for beginners, people who haven't been making any profits. So you can go ahead and utilize this strategy to try and make some small profits. Now we are going to change the percentage to 4%, and we are trading accumulators. So on our contract type, we are basically trading accumulators. So our entry point is basically very simple. At any one point 0 or 1 appears, we are going to run, and the maximum number of ticks is basically 40. I mean 5 ticks. 5 ticks. So your entry point should be 0 like that. So when 0 appears, you count 5 ticks and then you sell your contract. So like that. So another one there is running. 3 ticks, 4 ticks, 5 ticks. So if you set your take profit to be 20%, so your take profit should be 20%, so that immediately on the 5 ticks, then you're out of that market. So you wait for another entry, 0 and 1. Whichever appears first, we go in. This is the simplest strategy that you're going to learn. Yeah, we want to double. We want to make an amount that is equal to our stake. You see, we are staking like 500. We also want to see the accuracy of this strategy. So you can see, so far we have purchased 3 contracts, and we are on profits. So again, we wait for the entry, and I've given you the entry. The entry point is 0 and 1. 0 or 1 basically. The entry point is 0 or 1. 1 has appeared, so you just go ahead and buy another contract. Want to be out as soon as possible. You can see I'm using a stable market. This is volatility 10. So avoid the volatilities with 1s. Avoid the volatilities with 1s. So if I can make one more run, then I can go ahead and basically so let us wait. Let us see if we can get to 4,000. Let us see if we can get to 4,000. So I'll show you a very simple trick here that we are going to do. So waiting for 1 or 0 to appear. 1 has appeared like that. And then 3 ticks, that's 4 ticks. And then 5 ticks. So on the stake, we are going to increase the stake to 1,000. Then the take profit to 200. So we want to get to how much? To 4,000. So guys, stay with me. This is basically how you can be able now to scale in. After you make some small profits, then you scale in. The entry point is the same, 0 or 1. Okay, if in any case you make a loss, you just get out and use a lower stake. You'll still be able to recover. So we are waiting for the entry again. 1 again has appeared. So on the entry, we are basically looking at the last digit on your price. That is basically your entry point. That is basically your entry point. So you can see we are at 3,500 and we are looking for the entry again, 0 or 1. The entry should always be 0 or 1. You can see your entry should always be 0 or 1. Immediately we get to 4,000, then we are good with this market. So you're waiting for 0 or 1. So the last digit here is the one we are looking for. Like 0 has appeared, I'm a bit late, so I might sell that contract early. Because of that, I wait for the entry again, 0. So as you can see, we are waiting for only 5 ticks. Like that. So currently at 37.99, only one more run. 0 again has appeared, so just run it. Hopefully we don't experience any loss, because if we experience a loss here, then it's going to take us back quite a long distance, which will be basically very far off. So as you can see, we have taken a total of how many trades? I want to show you how accurate that strategy is. So a total of how many trades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number of contracts is basically 8. And as you can see, we have been able to make at least a profit of like 1,500 on that account, and we are good to go for now. I just wanted to show you that strategy before Deriv realizes it. So basically, number 1 on the rules, just make sure that you're using not 5% but 4% on the growth rate, and your take profit should be 20% your stake, so that trade will only run for just 5 ticks. So 5 ticks is basically equivalent to 5 seconds. So guys, I just want you to go ahead and try this strategy out. You can see basically mine is 100% win rate. Mine is giving me 100% win rate, and I want you to go ahead and see what kind of percentage are you getting on your market, because you should be getting something similar to my results. You should be getting something similar to my results if you are basically using the same strategy. Guys, if you would want to see me do this with a robot, kindly notify me on the comment section, and what other thing you would love to see. And basically just go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you leave a like for this video, and we are going to basically meet in the next episode as I show you another strategy on how basically to also make some few dollars out of the market. So that is it from now. That is it basically for now from me. Let us meet on the next episode.